Cryptocurrency and blockchain. They're revolutionizing the way we think about money and transactions. But what are they exactly? Let's dive into the world of digital currency. A cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies, cryptocurrencies operate on technology called blockchain. Blockchain is a decentralized technology spread across many computers that manages and records transactions. It's the underlying technology that makes cryptocurrencies possible. Cryptocurrencies are created through a process called mining, where powerful computers perform complex calculations to validate transactions on the blockchain. Cryptocurrencies can be bought, sold, or traded on online platforms known as cryptocurrency exchanges. They can be used for a variety of purposes, from buying goods and services to investing. As with any investment, it's important to do your research and understand the risks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.